200-pound former carry. Thanks, Scott. That's heavy.
All we need is to get this mainsail installed, and then we can go have more adventures. If you're just joining us, we had some major repairs that needed to be done on the boat. Our mast base was sinking into our boat. We had to remove the mast, the boom, and all the sails. There was fiberglass and saws and wood and paint, but it's all back together now, and the last bit is getting our mainsail installed. You'd think this would be the easy part, but it's a boat, and boat things happen. Join us while our buddy boat helps us put our mainsail up, not once, but twice. While we do take a break and enjoy a local chocolate factory. And Lily is doing her best on her video making skills so she doesn't get fired. Don't forget about our world famous outtakes at the end of our video. And if you want to follow for more adventures of ours, like and subscribe.
Up there and decided it was too windy to put the sail up right now, so I gotta look and see. We might do it this evening. I gotta see what the wind is supposed to do.
Let me tell you what's happening today. So yesterday, the day before yesterday, we got the boom back on, and then yesterday we got the sail back, and then we got the lazy jacks on. The lazy jacks on, so we are going to put the sail back up, so now we can leave in a couple days. So that's what happened today.
We managed to find the least windiest forecasted part of the day. There are a few tropical storms headed our direction, and we wanted to get our mainsail installed and secured before the storms came. The process isn't overly complicated, it just requires a lot of manual labor. Of course, that's my opinion, videotaping from the sidelines. Kevin and Cade carried the sail to the top of the deck and unrolled it. Before we can put the sail on the track and raise it, we had to install the fiberglass battens into the pockets where they belong. There's about 5 of them. The battens hold the integrity of the sail and give it shape against the power of the wind. Each one sits inside of a pocket sewn along the sail. At the end of the sail is a leather strap that is tied and velcroed in to keep the batten from falling out. See if I can unearth it over here.
There's an area up there that we're supposed to sew.
So these are the battens, Lily.
The
These right here. These are the battens, and he's untying one right now. But the one that we just tried to put in, do you see it? Right there. Can you zoom in and see how it's broken? Yeah. See how it's torn? And they were specifically supposed to repair that one. And they did not. And
Okay.
Cade gets to the very last one and discovers it was torn. This was one of the big items on the list that needed to be fixed, and they completely overlooked it. And it's not something that we have the proper tools to be able to just do it on our own. If we were crossing an ocean or a large body of water, we would make do with what we had. We would figure it out or not use the sail at all. But we already paid to have this fixed, and we would prefer it be fixed properly. Back to the sailmaker, Kevin.
Back to the sailmaker we go.
Hold tight, Heather.
I got it. All set? Got it.
Okay, girls going back?
Here, Mom.
Oh,
You got the surplus.
there you go.
Grab that side.
Yeah.
At this point, I was pretty frustrated with the sailmaker. After all the hard work he put into getting the deck done, the last thing was to put up the sail. And when you get it back and it's not fixed, this specific spot that we asked them to fix is not fixed. And we had to go back to town, rent a car, drive it across town, drop it off. The sailmaker was very apologetic and took care of their issue within 24 hours, and they were pretty appalled that they had missed it.
A GoPro.
Is that a clean camera? His lens is always dirty.
Stop! There you go. Stop. I have some more this way.
Okay, Mom, you just got my leg.
So let's go over here, Lily, and get a little detail of what happened. What happened, Kevin? There's a pin in there, and all
Hold
these
on, we gotta go
cars-
back into the wind.
Oh. All these cars were coming out. So we have to sail back up.
You have to feed that.
Okay, we are having tacos tonight, and look at them. They look so good. Meat, cheese, all of it.
And who made the meat?
I did.
Yeah?
I made the meat.
And what ingredients did you put in next?
Garlic, onion,
Chili powder and cumin.
chili powder, and cumin. Hopefully that tastes good. Taste test.
What do you think, Chloe? And Kevin?
It's okay. It's good a little bit.
Chloe's trying to get herself out of doing
Dishes.
dishes, so she sliced her finger. There's Nurse Lily over here that's helped out a couple of times so far already. And the dog line.
Why?
Okay.
Who else has cut themselves on the foot? Me! Oh boy. Are you gonna survive? Let me see your finger. Who's number one?
Have your fingers in my camera right now?
Okay.
find your fingers in my videos. See, I often find your fingers in my videos.
And paint.
And paint.
Yes, Mom. Dad, what are you doing? I'd rather get up there.
Oh, so now I call your name, you just know that it's time to film? Is that it?
I can't feel my finger.
Why?
She's trying to get out of doing dishes last
Why
night.
is it doing the dishes?
Yeah.
I can't
So you got
feel
out of
it.
doing dishes and now you say you can't feel your finger.
I can't feel my finger.
Well, let's chop it off and see what it feels like.
No.
She will not be laughing at
That will only get her like 5 days out of doing the dishes if she chops it off.
No.
Fall off the boat. It's all about the views.
You go flying in the air. Just hang on to that sail. I just ate paint.
The background commentary of my videos, people are wondering, must be wondering, what is going on in that boat?
Did not realize that you were videoing.
We're monitoring a storm coming in, trying to get the wind speed. And Lily's like, I just ate paint.
I licked my finger because I had Nutella on it and then paused.
It was paused.
How do you pause it?
Again.
Let me do it again.
I don't think any of that was recorded. Lily.
It wasn't.
Notorious for like, for walking away and going, oh, I don't think that was on, Mom.
That was easy.
Lily, who was not out here for the whole job, went, well, that was easy.
That didn't take long at all. Easy peasy.